What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the T-Boss 4-seater Limited. Now this one here, as you can see right in the video, you've got two seats in the front, and then you also have your flip seat in the back. Check that out, boys and girls. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and you also have your seat belts right here, so you can simply plug it right in with ease. Now, the best part about this right here, this UTV, again, sold exclusively at SaferWholesale.com, is that on this unit, you can simply pull up your handlebars on both sides. Go ahead and lift up that flip seat, and then you have all this room right here, okay? And then you can also unpin it right here with ease. These will obviously come out, and you can take this entire thing out, and you'll have a brand new usage for your UTV. Again, it's a 2-seater, flips right into a 4-seater, and again, you can go ahead, pull around the entire family with ease on this machine here. Now, let's get to some of the other goodies. You also have, in the back here, again, your tailgate, so this will come right down. All you gotta do is pull these handles right here. Go ahead and lock them right in. You also have your 2-inch receiver ball hitch in the back that you can go ahead and install right there. You got your nice suspension, dual independent rear suspension, disc brakes in the rear as well. Super knobby tire for great grip. And again, this one has 12-inch rim, 25-inch tire total size from the ground to the top. And then you also have your netting right here. So you can go ahead and strap it in like so and keep your passengers safe. And we also have the optional windshield, your optional winch. This also has turn signals. So again, you've got turn signals here, super bright LED lights in the front, and again, the T-Boss 410. Best of both worlds. It's like a golf cart with the flip seat on the back, but you also have your 2-wheel drive, your 4-wheel drive, your horn, your USB right here, your in and out for your winch, and of course your headlights. And then check it out, the dash right here. Right now we're in high. So you have high, and then you also have low gear, neutral, and of course reverse. So check it on out. If you boys and girls are looking for something that's got plenty of power, that seats 4 passengers, that drives and rides excellent, smooth, and by the way, we do carry this in a few different colors, you're gonna wanna give us a call. Toll free, 866-606-3991. SaferWholesale.com is the website. Check it on out and give us a call right now. Again, toll free, 866-606-3991. SaferWholesale.com.